In this video, I'll be talking about bigpesa.com custom stock screener. Okay, so as you guys know, there's a lot of stock screeners and lot of things to pick the stock and screen the stock, and lot of things are available in the market. Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about bigpesa.com custom stock screener. Okay, so as you guys know, there's a lot of stock screeners and lot of things to pick the stock and screen the stock, and lot of things are available in the market. But today what I'm going to talk about is bigpesa's custom stock screener. Okay, this is not like the other screeners what you have seen. This is very unique thing, and this is very different. And okay, and I'll be explaining you how you can use this for your intraday trading using the custom stock screener. Okay, and previously I have made lot of videos regarding this. Okay, so I have made a stock screener from investing.com and money control and charting and lot of things. So I'll be linking all the videos in the description below. You guys can go inside it and check all of these things. So this is a investing.com stock screeners. Okay, so now I'll be explaining the custom stock screener, how you can use this. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information and tricks, tips regarding this. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in stock market intraday trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. Okay, and also a lot of people got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses have recovered their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this, you can join us now. And once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. Okay, just with a capital of 5 to 10,000 rupees, you can make 1,000 rupees per day. And also if you're a beginner, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn constant profit. Okay, and also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you and guiding you to recover your losses. Okay, so the main aim of this course is to make you guys earn constant profit. So you can go through all these feedback messages and earning proof, and if you guys are motivated and interested to make constant profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, and also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn constantly in trading. I'll be teaching you my 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. And just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1,000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be teaching you a very good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make constant profit and want to stop your losses, you can join us today. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the stock screener in bigpesa.com. So as the name says, this is custom stock screener. Okay, so let me tell you what is the difference between this custom stock screener and other screener what they provide. Okay, for example, in this video I'll be taking investing.com stock screener. So if you guys don't know about this, I'll be telling you how you can open this screener. You can go to investing.com, that is in.investing.com, and go to the tools and click on the stock screener here, and this page will load up. Here you can select the exchange whatever you want, like NSE, BSE. Okay, so once you select that, here you get lot of options like dividends, technical indicator, MACD, ROC. So all these things, RSI, you can customize these indicators. So as you can see, volume, volatility. So this is all preferred screeners. Okay, here you can't change any settings of them here. So okay, so these are all the predefined indicators and predefined screeners what they have here. Okay, so this is the normal screeners what you get, like RSI indicator and all of these things. Okay, so this is a type of screener what normally people use. Okay, and generally what everyone uses. So now what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you the custom stock screener, that is from bigpesa.com. So here what you can do is, here you can take all the custom controls. You can take all the manual controls in your hand. So what type of stock you want, what kind of volume the stock should have, what type of close to the stock should have, and what is the crossover should the stock have. All these things can be selected like how you want. Okay, it's not preloaded. You can select how the stock to be for you. For example, this doesn't give you the live market data, it's only the previous data. For example, if you want to trade tomorrow's, it will give you the previous day data only, not the live market data. Okay, so as you can see, I can select the yesterday's date, and here I can select the exchange what I want, and the index also what I want. Okay, so everything is predefined by you. Whatever you want you can give. You can select a new high, like which kind of high should the stock be near to, 4-week low, new 13-week low, or new 52-week high, 26 high, anything can be selected. And also you can select the price action, like how much stock should have a volatile, like the percentage of movement, like price action, like 1 to 3% or 3 to 5%. So everything can be customized according to your need. Okay, and coming to the gap up and gap down, so here you can select the stocks which are having greater than gap up of 20%, 15%, 10%, 2%, 5%, and also gap down greater than 2%, 5%, 10, 15, and 20. Okay, so here you can select the stock, which kind of stock and what kind of close it should be having. For example, here more than how many rupees off the close. Okay, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, so like this. Okay, what kind of clothes should the stock have? And coming to the volume, here you can see how many volume should the stock be on, that can be selected. Volume action, even that can be selected here. Okay, so and average volume action and EMA crossovers. See, you can select lot of combination. MACD crossovers. Okay, ADX crossovers, you can select however whatever the combination you want. And coming to the Bollinger Bands, you can see lot of technical indicators, and there you can select the combination of what the indicator should have. Everything is customizable. Okay, and also you can select the bearish candle how they want to be, and also as you can see, you can even select the type of candle, the chart patterns what they have formed. And as you can see, bullish. Okay, so all the bullish candlesticks have been, candlestick pattern have been listed here, and neutral candlesticks, bullish continuation, and bearish continuation. So all this can be selected manually, and when you select all these things and when you click on apply, you will get the stock loaded. Okay, so you can select what symbol is in that according to the condition what you need, and you will get the stocks list loaded here, and you can trade on them if you are interested. Okay, so according to your need, this scanner will choose a stock for you. Okay, so if you are very particular about picking the stock about your particular need, you can use this, that is bigpaisa.com custom screener, and this will help you a lot. Okay, so this is just a basic introduction of this bigpaisa.com, and later in my next video I'll be making what kind of screener and what kind of settings you should use to select a good stock. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I'll be making a video soon on that. Okay, so this is about the bigpaisa.com custom screener. And also, if you guys are new to my channel and if you're not yet watched all my videos, so go inside my channel and watch all the videos, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit I made and what stock I trade with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn constant profit like this and want to stop your losses and want to start making constant profit, you can join us today, and I'll be guiding you how you guys can make constant profit. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.